Hello, it's Linnea Carver. This month I have something super special for you. I want to show you how to take care of some simple maintenance items around your home that's going to protect your investment and maximize the resale value. And in order to do that, I've got a couple of special guests that I'm going to introduce you to right now. They just pulled up, so come on over. Hey guys.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good. I've got Rob and Johnny Prosser here.
I'm Johnny.
I'm Rob.
Of Prosser Home Inspections. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so excited about this month's video series. What we want to do is we want to kind of show them what can you do around your house on an annual basis that can help protect their investment, right? Because people are spending a lot of money on homes, so we want to help protect their investment. Let's invite the experts in and give us a couple of tips.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
My name is Johnny with Prosser Inspections. We're a two-man crew, so they say 4 eyes are better than 2, and that's what you get with us. This is my dad, Rob.
Hello.
And he's going to explain to you why it's important to get a home inspection.
So the question is, why is a home inspection important? There's one simple answer. It's peace of mind. Peace of mind knowing that through an inspection, your house is solid, and peace of mind knowing that your house is safe not only for yourself, but for your family.
When do people get home inspections? Like buyers, sellers, like what if you're not buying or selling? Could you still get a home inspection?
Absolutely. You can do annual inspections. We recommend them, so that way you can plan for future appliances that are going to go out, possibly a roof, paint. You can also do before you're selling a home. We think that's a good time to get a home inspection. That way you're not surprised when a home inspector gets under your house and finds stuff right before you're about to close. You don't want to delay that process.
I tell people all the time you should be getting a home inspection on an annual basis, so I think it's really important.
It could save you some money future down the road and also help you plan for those bigger investments.
Right? So as I said, we're going to show you a couple of simple tips that you can do to protect your home on an annual basis. So stay tuned and watch this video series.